Okay, so back in January, I participated in Burb Fest, an Instagram art challenge where you draw a bird every day of the month for January. So that is 31 birds, and I cannot keep all 31 birds. I just organized my studio, and not counting these, I have original art in every nook and cranny. So, what I'm trying to figure out is, does anyone want these? And how much do you think I should list them for? Like, some of these I absolutely love. Some of these, the paper I chose had issues. And some of them I don't really like at all. So, yeah, tell me what you think.